That's two 16-ounce bags of frozen sliced strawberries. Coming in with 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm adding in some pure cane sugar. We're just gonna put in about 1/4 of a cup of this. Now I've got some vanilla extract here, and I'm just putting in a teaspoon of that. Now I have my Jet Puffed Hearts strawberry marshmallows. And I have a second bag. These are 8 ounces each, and I'm putting 2 in here. I'm topping that with 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And now I'm gonna put my lid onto my crock pot, and I am gonna turn this on to high. I did pre-grease this. We're gonna let this all cook together for about 2 hours. Alrighty, we've had this on low for about an hour and a half. Now I've got my pan spray here and my big spoon. You can see our marshmallows are melted. You can smell those delicious strawberries. Ooh, we're gonna just start mixing this all together. We've got our condensed sweetened cream. We've got our butter in here. And of course, these marshmallows just looking so beautiful along with these thickened stewed strawberry pieces. You can use fresh strawberries if you like. We just use the frozen because they were more readily available. All right, I'm just gonna bring in my smusher here, my potato smusher, and I am gonna smush some of these strawberries. They're actually like pretty smushing pretty well, just breaking up so easily because of that heat that we've had applied to them. Oh my goodness, y'all, this smells incredible. I can't wait for you to see what we do with this. It's just gonna be so tasty, such a delightful, easy treat. And it's gonna have that really delicious strawberry and cream flavor to it. All right, adding in our pasta noodles. Now I'm just gonna give this a really good stir. We've got our strawberries and cream sauce with our beautiful pasta noodles in here. This is such a fun dessert to make around the Valentine's holiday, or really any time of year. And you can make this with any kind of fruit that you like, which is so fun. I'm making sure I'm getting some of that beautiful sauce in there along with our noodles. Of course, I've got to top this with some whipped cream. You guys want a whipped cream? They're like, we got pup cups at home. Oh! Now I'm using this Hershey's special dark chocolate. You could do white chocolate on here or whatever kind of chocolate or toppings that you like. I love dark chocolate, especially around Valentine's Day. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course, I have got to have some Valentine's sprinkles on here. This is the perfect thing to make if you're having a Valentine's or a Valentine's party for the kids. It's just so easy, so yummy. Like I said, fresh fruit, frozen fruit, whatever you want to use. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It would be delicious over ice cream too, y'all. This is so good. You've got to try it.